So we have Agnes Gaillard, the CEO of Amethyste, with us. They have a very good concept of a hydrogen on a barge. Agnes, do you want to tell us more about this concept?
Yes, with pleasure. We will have a barge that will embed some storage capacity, hydrogen storage capacity, and a fuel cell that will transform this green hydrogen into electricity in order to provide power to the vessel that come to download product or that need electricity on an harbor when the docks are not electrified. So this concept is developed by 5 companies. We have Surfaces, which is the engineering company. Hydrogen the Force that will provide the fuel cell. team will work with us on the risk assessment. Ruby Terminal, in fact, will be the operator of the barge. And Amethyste will provide the full digitalization of the plant at the design stage. And we will cover, of course, all the risk assessment that are needed by such kind of asset, because it's a very new concept with hydrogen on the water. So we will be able, in fact, to ensure the security and all the risk assessment, the inspection and maintenance capacity for the barge.
So we'll go into the security part later, but my question is, how are you going to produce electricity from it? You said wind energy, so you're going the wind energy is going to be produced on the barge?
No, in fact, the hydrogen will be produced outside.
Outside.
This region is very active in hydrogen. So we will use the green hydrogen produced along the river. And we will transform this green hydrogen into electricity on the barge.
On the barge,
We will go to liquefied hydrogen in the second version with Ariane Group. Which is a well-known company that is...
So if you don't mind asking about the advantages that hydrogen-powered barge would give compared to hydrogen onshore, what would the advantages be?
The advantage of the barge, of course, in an harbor, so you can use from few weeks, few months in an area and change the barge. There is no footprints on shore. So someone that wants to build something along the river, so you can bring the barge close to the asset and provide electricity. In the future, we imagine the barge in the middle of an offshore wind farm plants. Produce hydrogen from the wind farm plants. And to provide hydrogen also to all the vessels that comes from the maintenance and inspection and etc.
So can this powered barge, hydrogen-powered barge, be a reliable source of energy for seaports?
Yes, of course. Of course, when you have a dock with no electricity, you can provide electricity in this area. Test if the need is something very important for this area of the port before putting some electric cable that are very expensive. And this asset can also be used for an island, for example, which has no electricity production. So you can use a barge for the island to produce the electricity.
What about the security part of this? Hydrogen, of course, is good, but it also requires a lot of security and reliability.
Yes, of course, this is the objective of our platform, in fact, which is an asset integrity management platform.
This is a platform?
Yes, this is the platform that we provide. And in fact, in any kind of equipment of the barge, we will put an risk assessment, high level of safety, in fact, for people, environments, and for the asset by itself.
How can this project of yours, this concept of yours, be useful for this region? Because this region is high on sustainability and net zero goals. How can your project help in that?
It can be useful in many cases here. We have an example in West Indies with a client, a refinery, that used this concept with fuel cell to transform the hydrogen into electricity for the network, the local network. As we are working to make an asset which is safe and sustainable, completely in line with the objective here. And it can really help to decarbonize, in fact, all the vessels that come in the ports. Instead of using the fuel to continue to have electricity on board, you can use the fuel cell and connect the barge, in fact, to the vessel to stop the machine and to stop using fuel. So it's better for the life of the people around the harbor.
Yes, okay. Well, it was a pleasure speaking to you, Agnes. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.